may mass resignation ngayon nangyari. Now, I have this theory. Itong mass resignation, sino man yung na umalis talaga dito, is Soljan Guevara, di ba?
Yeah.
I think that was only a smokescreen to tanggalin si Soljan Guevara kasi they do not want to admit na hindi nila masagot yung mga tanong sa kanila. And I do not know kung ano ang gagawin nitong bagong Solicitor General for the administration. So, yan, puro PR, puro positioning, puro angling sa media, and puro propaganda. That's all that you will get from this administration. It's been 3 years and it's been like that. So do not expect that things will get better dahil sa sinabi niya may reconciliation and he's trying to man up and no. Like what PRD said, and it clearly shows, ngayon midterm na ito, that he is weak. And nakita natin yan ngayon sa midterm elections na talagang mahina siya. Mayabang pa, magsabi ng 12-0, 12-0. Talo ang mga kandidato niya.